Reaction with sodium. Everyone see here, Rx, alkyl halide let me take. Let's treat it with sodium metal. I know that reaction of Rx with sodium, it comes under the category of Wurtz reaction. So everybody should know this. It is Wurtz reaction. I always tell my students, when I will see the first two letters of the Wurtz reaction, I am reading it as a U. What U? When I will see it together, it's a Navu. I know that in Kannada, Navu is a plural of Nanu. So Nanu means me, Navu means all together. Okay. So in order to call it Navu, at least two must be there, right? Plural means two must be there at least in number. So what we do is we take 2 sodium and we take alkyl halide one more time. It's a Navu reaction. Navu means all together. Plural means at least 2 must be there. Okay. Now you should know that sodium is an active metal. It is violently reacting with water if the reaction vessel here contain moisture content. Now exactly to avoid this unnecessary violent vigorous reaction of sodium with the moisture, we need to avoid the contact between them. For that we are using, we know, dry ether medium. So dry ether medium makes sure that sodium metal won't come in contact with the moisture content. Okay. Now you see this, we have a 2 sodium that is reacting with the 2 halogen to produce 2 sodium halide byproduct. What is left out, RR, it is nothing but higher member hydrocarbon, the compound that is only containing hydrogen and carbon in it. Okay. So this is Wurtz reaction. Now what I will do is, rather taking alkyl halide, I will take aryl halide here. I will take aryl halide here. Everything else I'll write as it is except alkyl halide. I will take in the place of that aryl halide reactant. Of course, dry ether also I am using. There is no change at all. You all people can see that 2 sodium, 2 halogen together, 2 sodium halide is going out, and what is left out is diphenyl. Phenyl, phenyl together we call it as diphenyl product. And the name of this reaction is not Wurtz now, it is called Fittig reaction. We call this reaction as a Fittig reaction. Now what I will do is, I will take 1 alkyl halide. Next I will take aryl halide. I am going to take the mixture of halides now. And of course sodium metal I am using in the dry ether medium. In the dry ether medium, you know that 2 sodium, 2 halogen together, 2 sodium halide, it will go out, and what is left out is alkyl benzene. And we call this reaction as Wurtz Fittig reaction. We call this reaction as Wurtz Fittig reaction. And the product I said, alkyl benzene. So students, these are 3 important reactions of Rx with the sodium metal.